Sun's in my eyes. Hey Food Foresters, Amy here. Just wanted to give you a little taste of what we did on day 2 of our cleanup. We have the deck pretty much cleaned off. We found some more problems with it. We're gonna have to fix it. We put a board where the steps were because Braden started to go down the steps and there ain't no steps there. We kind of got the plants moved around so then that way they'll get the most of the heat in the middle of the day because that's when the sun's going to be the most intense, because now the sun is further over this way. But I'm going to take you down here to the biggest change. And forgive me, I am a little sore, so I'm walking a little slow. We had an issue where we noticed this morning our guineas were attacking our chickens. Oh look, there's Marshmallow. Say hi, Marshmallow. That's my daughter's cat. She's got a little bobtail. She's the baby kitten of the group. There she is. Hi, Marshmallow. But anyway, we noticed our guineas chasing our rooster and 3 of our hens. I mean, it got so bad they all ganged up on him and they literally flew over the fence to get away from the guineas. So we knew that was a big problem. So we decided to go ahead and do the fencing today. We put up just a temporary post on this side, the permanent post, because eventually we're going to hopefully here next couple of months we're going to get siding or skirting, I'm sorry, underskirting done. We're going to put up chicken wire first, and then we're going to put up the lattice, the plastic lattice. We're going to go with the brown color. It is a little pricey, so we're going to probably do it in sections. But eventually this will all get fenced in permanently then.
Yeah, and the temporary fence will be gone.
Yeah. Now, after chasing our chickens back into their pen, that took, God, I don't even go there because it pissed me off. We then separated our guineas. We have 11 guineas out of the 12 that hatched.
Well, only 11 hatched.
Yeah.
1 didn't hatch.
Right.
I said out of the 12.
Right. Out of the 12, we had 11 that hatched.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway, we got them in here, but even though we pinned their wings, or one wing, on each bird when they were babies, because we didn't want them flying into the trees, because all of our trees are tall, because they like to roost in the trees. Well, one of them got out. We've seen it twice. It has tried to come into our yard. We've left the gate open. The last time we saw it, it went across the street into our neighbor's yard. So I have no idea if we're ever going to be able to get that one back. But we went ahead and put the rest over here just to separate them from separate them from the ducks and the chickens, because they're picking on them. I guess they're at that point where they're trying to show their dominancy. And since you can't tell the males from the females unless you listen to the calls, you know, we don't know if all these are males or if some of them are males and some of them are females. We have no idea. But also too, we had an issue with Coco. Coco scratched her eye, and then we noticed yesterday it was swollen. So we did get up to Tractor Supply and we got some ointment and some wound care for her. And we've been taking care of that. Oh, gee whiz. You think it's the end of the world with them. So, what we're going to do is, if everything works out with the guineas, we're going to make them an A-frame, just to give them some protection at night. But right now, they have the play set. Coco! Come here, Coco. So, this is Coco. She's our biggest bird. We got her at an auction, so we have no idea what breed she is. Hey, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hey, Coco. Come here. She is really docile, but this is her normal eye. And then over here, how's that looking?
That is looking a whole lot better than it was.
Yeah, it was really bad. We actually had to lance it because it was so swollen and it was oozing pus. But she did really well. She's very docile. As you can tell, we can pet her with no problems. Yeah, Coco.
We have a spray that we were putting on it.
Yeah.
It's a natural, made from all natural ingredients.
Yeah.
No antibiotics or anything like that in it. But it's
Take a
really...
look how big those feet are.
Yeah, she got some big feet.
Yep, she got some big feet.
She's a big girl.
Yep.
But we got the spray that a wound spray that we're using.
Yeah.
And also some ointment that we're putting on the eye too. That's supposed to help. And her eye was swollen completely shut. It was twice as bad as
and
that. It's getting better. So
this is we've put on 3 treatments. We'll put on another one here in a little bit. It'll be her 4th treatment. And it's doing wonderful. So she's, hot Coco. But this is my girl Coco. So, and she's the biggest girl there is. Yep, there you go. So, and then here's the rest of the flock. It's been dinner time. Everybody's chilling. My other, what is it? Rhode Island Reds. The other 2 young ones have become very affectionate lately. So, they've become lovey-dovey. The only ones I can't get really close to is the Americanas. The Americanas are really still skittish. I haven't, even when they were babies, they didn't want to be cuddled with. But the black sex lynx, which is the black chicks with the gray on their front, I can actually handle those. I can handle the frazzle, mama. The rooster's iffy. The ducks are iffy. Quackers is iffy. So, they're so annoying.
They're calling to their buddy that's...
Yeah, I can hear her. She keeps squawking, so. But, yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on today. Both me and Danto are really, really sore. Really exhausted beyond belief.
I can't wait till we get skirting around the place because I was up underneath there crawling around trying to chase chickens out from under the house.
Yeah, that just pissed me off. That's what did it. So we're gonna go ahead and end it with that for today. We didn't really take any video because we were trying to get as much done as we possibly could. But hopefully next weekend we'll be able to get more done. We're going to be making this our keyhole garden area. We're looking at a U-shaped design with the tires. So that way we can have one big U and then one small one in the middle. And transform this part into a regular garden. The lettuce over here, as you can see, I don't know if you can zoom in on that tire. If you could zoom in on that one tire right there. The lettuce is growing like crazy. And so we're trying to get those little seedlings transplanted over here. So that way we can have some lettuce over here and some lettuce over there. So that's good to probably be, we may do that this during the week here, depending on how if Donald works late or whatnot. So, but we're definitely trying. They're just... They're so annoying. I don't understand why they're so loud. So, but with that, remember guys, a little bit of hard work, you can grow something for your family. See y'all later. Alright, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.